So hello everyone, welcome back, and this is an update video for Rocket UI. If you guys don't know what Rocket UI is, Rocket UI is a framework that I built on top of Tkinter from scratch, and it helps you build native applications for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It's so easy that a 5-year-old kid can do it. Let's hop onto the computer screen and let's see what has been up. So I'll be showing off the CLI application that I've developed. So for that, you have to hop my terminal just lagged. Yeah, let's have a new one. So let's type in python manage.py. uh, we'll put an help option here so we can take a better look at what we have in hand. So you can go ahead and ignore this command because we are actually working on it. So we have to put in build. Let's try to run the application first. So we can put in python manage python I'm messing up my typing here, and run. Yeah, so now our application is up and running and we have new image gatherers here. So we have problems with the earlier one. The earlier version used to have problems with build, so it never worked fine with it. The JSON files were completely out of the way, and yeah, now everything is in control. And yeah, it does work really good. We can use the re-renderer option, and if you guys don't know what re-renderer does, I've covered that in the previous update, which it takes which it takes all the elements from the screen and re-renders it on the screen. So it's not a gimmick, it does it for real. And yeah, that's it. And we have some problems here, look, so we have to work on it. The second command that I want to show off is manage.py, and we'll be using a cleanup. And what cleanup does is it just cleans your cache files which your editor generates. It likes to generate a lot of cache files, a lot of temporary files. So yeah, it clears it all. And now to the best part here. We are going to build an application, and I'll show you how easy it is to build applications in Tkinter, aka Rocket UI. So we'll do it python manage.py and a build here. So it does build one application here. We'll be having a lot more options in the future, but yeah, it works seamless, it works fast, and it's the most difficult one to do it. So yeah, it is repacking every single stuff that we have, and it's seamless with it. It has no issues, because earlier versions we had issues with wrapping up application, and it has a lot of dependencies. So yeah, it makes it very hard to make an efficient application out of it. It's not that efficient. I'm not claiming it to be like a very good, very foolproof application. Yeah, we have a lot of work to do on it, and we need people to do it. So it'll be very helpful if we have a community of Rocket UI to help each other out and make a better application for the future. So yeah, as we can see, we have a main exe here, and when I click on it, it'll launch a terminal for debugging. It's totally for debugging purposes. And yeah, and you can actually do whatever you want. Like, it is supposed to run however it was. And yeah, re-renderer also works. Like, yeah, you can re-render how many times you want. You can tick on it. Yeah, it works, it completely works. And yeah, that's about it. And that's the entire story of this application. It works very fine. Now we are planning to make a compiler out of it to make our work very easy in the future. Till then, bye bye, see ya.